Hi guys, it's Maaike. I said I would be back when I played some more with the Art Sensation watercolor palette. This is what I made. And I did it on classic Schut watercolor paper, and I just had a piece of scrap there. And I'm taping to my cutting mat in case I need to move it out of the way or tilt it, but I didn't do any of that. And you can see this is textured, so it's not very good for stamping, but it's fine for techniques like this. And I'm sorry I'm out of focus. That's the whole white sheet there. I thought I would do a galaxy or a nebula, and I've done a few videos like this on my channel. You can look them up with Ecolina, which is a fluid watercolors, very vibrant and transparent, and also with distress re-inkers. So it says art is great, art is quality, which not too sure. But I have made 2 rounds, so I will do this one wet and wet with my size 9 brush and the palette. Now I made this one, I think, with distress re-inkers. I used the pink in the middle and then twisted citron and such and wilted violet. So I was trying to make it look similar. And I have to say that wet and wet works a little bit better because the water wicks out and makes it look more organic. But I've been fiddling with it, and I've been adding colors and mixing colors. And yeah, I'll just turn on the music and let you enjoy it. The dry and dry for me is less organic looking, even though I try to go back and add more and delete, take out. But yeah, you know, as I said in my previous video, I think for backgrounds like this it's fine. For coloring an image, maybe not so much. But yeah, it's cheap. It's $1.99 at Action, so you cannot expect too much, I guess. But it worked. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and I will see you again soon. Bye.